So everyone creates silos where they're separated. So it's basically intellectual distancing as opposed to social distancing. So they're so super specialized in their field that they're not talking to the people in the other fields. And so there's actually several places right now in science where the answer to a question in this field has already been discovered in this other field, and it's been around for 10 years. And this field is still looking for it. Oh, and there's several instances that I plan on talking about some of those in the podcast. And some of us know about those things because some of those are starting to be used for certain technologies that are coming out to do certain things. One of them is clean energy, which we haven't talked about yet. We'll talk about that. And the reason why that's possible is because they use a mentality like Archimedes. And the effects that has is what I call the Archimedes Effect. Oh, so that kind of ties it all together. So it's a multidisciplinary approach to problem solving that basically deals with multiple domains of ideas in order to find the interconnected structures, to basically filter out things that are viable and interplay within each different realm, and then you can extract insights from there to create innovations. Something like that.